Welcome. Ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through a Telegram chat, trying to locate that one important file? Whether it's a PDF, a spreadsheet, or a video, searching for files on Telegram web just got easier with its latest update. Let me walk you through the simple steps to find exactly what you need in seconds. First, open your browser and head to web.telegram.org. Log in using your phone number and the verification code sent to your Telegram app. Once you're in, all your chats will appear on the left side of the screen. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the search bar at the top of the interface. This isn't just for searching messages, it's your gateway to finding files. As you type a keyword related to the file you're looking for, Telegram Web will start displaying results in real time. But here's the trick. Click the Files filter right below the search bar. This narrows down the results to only documents, images, videos, or other shared files. No more sifting through text messages or voice notes. Let's say you're searching for a project report. Type Q3 report into the search bar. Select the Files option, and watch as Telegram instantly surfaces every relevant document, whether it was shared last week or 6 months ago. You can even search by file type, like budget spreadsheet or conference video, to get even more precise results. What makes this update stand out is its speed and simplicity. Telegram's cloud storage ensures every file you've ever shared or received is accessible, no matter how old the chat. And if you're part of a busy group chat, no problem. The search tool scours every message, so you'll never miss a file buried under hundreds of replies. Once you've found the file, click it to preview or download it directly to your computer. Need to share it again? Just right-click and select Forward to send it to another chat without leaving the search results. So, whether you're a student digging up lecture notes, a professional tracking down contracts, or just someone organizing family photos, Telegram Web's updated search feature is a game changer. Give it a try next time you're hunting for a file. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it.